We're live.
Sweet.
So did anyone have any questions on
I feel like
lesson 14?
I had questions. No, I don't even remember. Let me look at it. I feel like it was just confusing to me. Like, I feel like if we start doing the quiz, then it's going to make more sense to me. But, like, just random, like, little questions that I don't really. But as we, like, work through them, then I understand them better. That makes sense.
Right. It's lesson 14, right? Yep, lesson 14. I didn't have any like specific questions. I think I understood everything.
Yeah.
I'm going back over to make sure.
Yeah, that's how I was. Like, there wasn't any, like, specific ones on each of them, but, like.
That I was like, oh man, I don't know how to do that. I feel like I figured it out
I just know.
easily.
Yeah, just some practice will probably help it stick.
Yeah. The alpha level, that was one that I struggled with a little bit, but I think I got it. So maybe it'll be a question on that and I can make sure that I actually have it.
Yeah.
All right. Group quiz?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, man. This group meeting brought to you by me in my bed because that's all I can do today is lay in bed. But I promise I have my notes and stuff. Ooh, 18 questions. Nice.
Alright.
Applet
Detail.
and the Excel files.
We need both of the Excel ones, right? I'm pretty sure we do.
Yes.
Yeah.
Downloading them right now. Where's the other one? Okay, I'm all good when you guys are.
I'm ready. I'm ready as well.
Okay, question 3. And hypothesis test to reject when there is sufficient evidence to indicate that at least one mean is different from the others.
That's HA.
Yeah.
That's when it's the HA one.
Yeah,
The
so
HO
false.
is all means are equal, yeah. False.
Okay, that's what I was going to say. What requirements need to be checked when performing a ANOVA hypothesis test?
The data has to be normally distributed.
The data has to be normally distributed and the variances are equal for each group.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, sounds great. To check if each group is normally distributed, do the following.
Isn't it a QQ plot?
I think it's a QQ plot.
I thought it was QQ plot, yeah.
I think it's QQ. We assume the variances in each group is the same if the following happens. Sample variance is smaller. Largest variance is less than 4 times the smallest. The largest sample.
It's if the largest variance is less than or equal to 4 times the smallest variance there, we conclude that they are equal.
Okay, so the second one.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
It is equivalent to conducting 2 independent sample t-tests between every pair of samples. If there are 3 samples, there are 3 pairs. 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3. How many pairs are there when there are 4 samples?
It'd be 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4.
So it'd be 5.
1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 4, and 3, 4.
So
6. Right?
Yeah, 6. Yeah. That makes sense. Because there's already 3, and you're adding another number, which means there's going to be a 1, 4, a 2, 4, a 3,
3,
4. So 3 more. So 6.
Yeah.
Soccer. Okay, so this is where we need to do the soccer shoes. So we put it in the ANOVA one, right?
Yeah. Yeah. You have to like do them all separate though. You can't do them all at the same time.
Which is annoying.
What do you...
Like the A's and the B's.
Oh, gotcha. I see what you're saying. I really need to get a mouse just for this.
Yeah, that's a smart idea. Let's see here. I have one somewhere. I just don't know where it's at.
My husband has ours. He uses it. I could go steal it from him, but that would involve me walking up the stairs and
Yeah.
just a little bit too lazy for that.
Because it takes so long. Yes.
I really should like open these quizzes beforehand and just do all of this.
Oh, that's a good idea. Have it all done. What I get confused is the socks. Like, is that supposed to be variable 6? Like, why don't they just do it EF?
Well, if it's talking about shoes, what is it asking? There are 5 types of shoes, and also just wearing socks. So yeah, I think it is.
So what is the minimum and smallest variance for the 6 groups?
Why would you just wear socks?
You guys are so much faster than I am. Sorry, I'm still.
Still copying over. You're good.
Oh, sorry. Oh, wait.
Ah, it does this every time to me. I'm almost done, I promise.
I'm going to grab my water bottle. I'll be right back.
Oh, you're good.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay, I just have the socks. I promise I'm almost done. It takes so much longer.
Sorry, what did you say? I knocked my headphones out of my ears.
Oh, I was just talking about how this one takes so much longer to do than the other ones.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'm good. All right.
So the smallest variance, isn't that just the variable 1? Or I guess no, it would be 27.208, variance 3, variable 3.
Variable 3, yep.
27.208.
What is the largest variant?
That would
And the
be
largest 53.
53.158, number 4. The test for equal variances is satisfied for these data.
Test for equal variances.
The largest variance is less than or equal to 4 times the smallest variance.
So is it less than or equal to? It's less than. But is it 4
4
times?
times. 'Cause it's what, 53?
So do you just times that by 4?
Yeah, and then
So
I get
what's- Yeah, so 27. Is it
0.2.
27 times 4?
no,
It's
it'd be the
27.208, right? Times 4,
Yeah.
which is 108.832. So it's way more.
So no.
yeah, 'cause it's
So is it false?
Yeah.
Construct a QQ plot for each 6 samples.
That's
Which
what
of
I
the
don't
samples are
understand.
approximately normal based on what you see in the QQ plots?
How do you make the QQ plot?
I'm gonna go back to the textbook and try and remind myself.
like
Give me a split
program or
second.
something.
Like I thought it was like in the is it just a scatter plot? Is that the same thing?
Yes.
Because you
Oh,
can
it says
click
if you
it.
use the quantitative descriptive one, you can use the under the QQ plot tab. You can paste in for each group.
Because in the Excel, like you can make your data into an QQ plot. Does that make sense? That's what I just
Yeah.
did, but I don't know if that is right.
Where did
How did you
make
do it?
these? Yeah.
So I just went to charts up at the top, and then there's a bunch of different ones, and it says scatter, and then click scatter, and then did a scatter plot.
Where the heck is chart?
Is it under data or page layout or insert or?
Under charts,
I don't see charts as a tab.
you don't have a charts?
I see recommended charts. Oh, here's one.
Okay, on mine I have home, layout, tables, charts.
Yeah, if you go to insert, and then
Hmm.
there's charts, and you can do an insert scatter or bubble chart.
Yeah, maybe do it that way.
Okay.
And then scatter plot will pop up.
Yeah, and then you just have to like.
But wait.
copy and paste for each.
Can you like highlight them all? I wonder if
I don't
you
know.
highlight them all and try it that way.
Maybe, but it wants
Maybe.
a QQ plot for each of the 6 samples, so I think you gotta like copy and paste it in like the chunks again.
Yeah, that's true.
And then they want to make sure.
No,
each
if you do
one-
it all at once, then they make it different colors.
Oh, well, I'm gonna try that,
That
'cause
makes
that's
it
cool.
easy.
So then you can
That's
just like,
See if each one is approximately normal. Oh,
yeah. So it's kind of
Thank you.
confusing, but it like,
Yeah, that makes sense.
it's better than doing it.
But yeah, better than having to do it all.
at least you
separate.
can compare it that way. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. Each of the samples are approximately normal based on what you see on the QQ plots.
So what's
normal is the data normally distributed.
Like it just looks kind of.
It's all just like in a blob.
reading graphs is the hardest thing for me.
Isn't the normally distributed when it's like in a line?
Yes.
Or is that so? I would not say this is normally distributed.
I don't think it is.
Mm-mm.
I would
If
say
it was,
false.
it would look better.
I would say false.
Horman and Novitas and SPSS. And there's didn't she say that like SPSS was the old?
No. Yeah.
So it was just used for that.
So wait, does the 0.0 is our p-value? How do you get rid of the q plot out of my way? It's in my way.
I just hit it and hit backspace.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
That didn't work.
So our p-value is the same as what they have on their thing on the
Yes,
quiz.
it is.
So if we take off the socks, which is variable 6, then we should get the other p-value, correct?
So just delete all of them.
Yeah,
Well,
just the 6.
socks.
Just the socks.
Right, yeah, but just delete all the numbers in the socks.
Yeah.
And that-
So that gives me 0.309.
That's what I got.
Mhm.
0.309.
The test statistic statistic is the p-value to the right or the left of the f.
I
So-
wrote F distribution right skewed, values of F never negative. The p-value for ANOVA test is the area in the right tail. Never divide the area in the tail. I wrote that down. So would it be right?
If it's in the right.
Well, but if you're graphing it, so the f value is 1.216 and the p-value is point something. So wouldn't the p-value be to the left of it?
P-value.
Doesn't that make sense?
Yeah, well,
Yeah,
P.
it does make sense. I don't know.
Oh, yeah,
Maybe
yeah.
it'll be
That
left.
does make sense. That does make sense. So, yeah, I would say left.
Okay. And
To the hot.
the next one.
We're in the dog. Okay.
So this is beef, meat,
Question mark.
poultry. But wait. So
Do we
it's
want calories or sodium?
I think you want both.
It says examine the calories first and then
The sodium levels, the data is.
So we have to do separate.
Yeah, let's examine the calories first. So do calories first.
Okay.
and then it wants QQ plots for the calories for 3 hot dog pods. What do you mean by meat? Is that just like general?
Probably something gross.
Hot dog. Yeah,
Mixture?
probably. Flavor, that's what it is. I wish you could just like highlight all of these and just delete them, but it will not.
Right? It won't let you because
At least the other
Office.
tests let you do it.
That's what takes even longer. So I have to delete them and then.
Mhm.
no, wrong button.
Okay. Beef.
Just want calories.
Is there only 3 of them?
Beef,
Yeah.
meat, poultry. Yeah.
Okay. And you had the beef longer than the other 2, right?
Still working, but potentially in like 2
beef
seconds.
is a little bit. Well, I feel like beef's a little bit longer than meat, and then poultry's not a lot.
Yeah, like I have 3 more beef ones than I do
Yeah.
meat and poultry.
Yeah.
Okay. Just making sure I did it right.
Sorry, I'm the slowest person ever at this.
I just looked up some Excel tricks to try to help me like copy and move stuff faster.
All right, I'm good.
Okay. So then it says, let's examine the calories first, construct QQ plots of the calories for each of the 3 hot dogs. And then compare the variances to determine if the assumptions to use ANOVA have been met. Go QQ plot.
So, what did I do?
Highlight them all.
So make a QQ plot. Oh, I hate this. Why? Just
No.
yeah, I don't think so. Either.
And then the assumption.
Not in that institution. Is the largest variance less than or 4 times? I guess we kind of need to know that first too. before we can make an assumption. So where does yeah, I don't think it's true. We don't.
I think it's the last one.
Essentially not an say to assume each group comes from a normally
So basically, no to everything.
Right? Isn't that true?
Yeah, I think so,
Yeah.
because they're not meant.
The variances aren't equal. Okay, so the last one.
Yeah.
Run an ANOVA test to determine if the mean number of calories is the same for all types of hot dogs. Is the mean number of calories the same for all the types?
Is the mean the same?
No.
No.
Okay, you should find that the degrees of freedom are 2 and 51. Are these things accurate?
That if you read it to me, I'll look at it. 2 and 51. Yep, that's right.
That F equals 16.074.
Yep.
And that P equals 0.000.
That is not what I have for my P.
Yeah, I don't have that either. But with a level of significance equal to 0.05, what conclusion can you draw? So it says we have sufficient evidence to claim that all 3 hot dogs have the same mean, which is not true. We do not have sufficient evidence to reject the claim that all 3 hot dogs have the same mean number of calories. That's not what? Maybe we have sufficient to claim that all 3.
Isn't the p-value
We have sufficient evidence
like
to
that?
claim that all 3 different hot dog types have a different mean number of calories. Yes. We have sufficient evidence to claim that at least one type of the hot dog type has a different mean number of calories than the other type. Are 2 of the calorie types the same?
No, I don't think so.
So the third one.
Sodium.
Now let's examine the sodium levels. Blech.
Someone
now we have
has
to
probably
copy
do
and
that for a
paste.
job.
Huh?
Or like someone probably has to do this for a job, like compare hot dog sodium levels or something.
That'd be a really boring job. Hard pass.
The answer is probably too much sodium for hot dogs.
Probably.
Okay.
Ah,
Okay,
come on. I just want to select you. Oh my Lanta. It won't let me. What the fetch? Why won't it? It's being so weird right now. Okay, you know what? We're just going to do it like this because. Okay, I'm good.
Okay.
All right.
Now let's do the QQ plot.
I feel like it's the same as the other one because the variances aren't the same, and it's not.
It's not. I don't think they're distributed right, but.
And then with the last one. Where'd you go?
So the last one again.
I think.
Since it's not been met, it's safe to assume each group comes from one.
Okay. Despite the possible problem with the QQ plot for poultry, you decide to use ANOVA to determine if mean sodium levels are the same for all groups. What is the p-value for this test?
1.79 or 0.179. Sorry.
0.179.
Mm-hmm. What conclusion can you draw about the mean sodium levels of the 3 types of hot dogs? Use a level of significance of 0.05. So 0.05. So that would mean that the p-value is higher than the level of significance, right?
Mhm.
1.0. Okay. So
Yeah.
So, yeah.
and all 3 hot dogs have different means. Yes.
Mhm.
So it would be
So the third one?
the third one, right?
The third one.
Okay, I'm submitting. This quiz seemed pretty easy to me, but watch us get like all of them wrong or something like that. Oh, dang. That
Oh no.
stinks. We got a 60.
Okay, so how many did we miss?
A lot.
Alright.
Okay, starting at the top. We got number 3 wrong.
Mhm.
So it's true.
Oh goodness, I lost my quiz. I don't even know what happened. I deleted all the quiz.
Alright, what was after 3?
Wait, Andrew, are you there?
Oh,
Or are you?
No, I'm sorry. I'm trying to find it. I went out.
No, you're good. I just don't
Because I
want to go.
didn't submit it. I didn't submit it, so I'm hoping it just opens and saves, but I don't.
If it doesn't, I have the right answers and wrong answers. The next one we got wrong was 10. So 10 is also true. 11 is also true as well. At least the ones we're getting wrong, it's like
switch it over.
13
Okay.
is right,
13 is right.
as in like not left.
To the right. Yeah.
Okay. Then we got number 14 wrong.
So that was the one where we said no to all of them.
We got 14, 15, 16 wrong.
Well, I mean, that makes sense because you put the same answer for 14 and 16. So, all right, let's figure out how 14 again. So the calories.
Okay,
I
I'm
don't
gonna
think these
try
actually
and
have been
exit out.
met. So, either 2 or 3. Is it the third one?
Maybe it's the third one.
Because you can say it hasn't been met. Not safe to assume each group is normal, but we can assume it ends. Normal.
Yeah, maybe try the third one.
Sorry, guys. I am making so much. I'm trying to get there.
It's okay. You're good.
It's just being slow.
Don't worry about it.
So there was 15. I had a question because when it says p-value equals 0, isn't that when the p-value has like the letter E in it and then like a bunch of numbers after? Like it's
Yeah.
okay. I gotta remember if I saw that or not.
So you said number 3, 4 was wrong?
So 3.
4 was wrong? That's the one where we had to mark which one.
Oh no, 4 wasn't wrong.
It was 3. And that
3
one's
is
true. Right?
true.
Mm-hmm.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 10 was true.
10 was true. 11 was true. 13 is right.
13. Right.
I think we decided to put number 3 for 14.
Okay.
Then
And then
15.
we have 15 wrong. And
Yes.
just, yeah, now we have this sodium in our things. Now we have to change
So-
that off.
Would 15 be the last one?
15?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
It could also, yeah, that one is also true. We have sufficient evidence to claim that at least one of the hot dog types has different mean number of calories than another type, which is true.
Because otherwise, it is all 3 hot dogs have the same mean number of calories.
Yeah, I would do the last one. 16.
And then
16 is wrong.
Yep.
So would that be the same as the other one? Because the plots were the same, like basically.
what's the third one?
Yeah.
Maybe the second one, actually.
The assumptions have not been met while a safe percentage group we cannot.
Because if you read question 17, then it says, despite the possible problem with the QQ plot for poultry, which makes me think that that one is the one that's not normally distributed, but all the other ones look kind of like they are.
So then we can say
But that's saying we
Safe to
assume each
assume.
group comes from a normally distributed, but we only
That's
think
true.
of one.
That's
the
true.
third one says we can't assume it's normal, but the variances are equal. So I don't know.
I don't know.
We want to try the third one and just
But the variances aren't equal either.
so then
So it would be
yeah,
so I think
it'd
it's the
be-
second one.
does that change what we put before for the other ones? Or is it just the same? No. Because that's for calories and then that one's for okay.
I don't know. I'm confused. We got 18 wrong.
18.
So are we putting the second one on that one?
We do not have to so just kind of
Yeah, I think so.
yeah.
Okay. And then 18.
Mm-hmm. Maybe the
fourth
last one again.
Yeah, the fourth one.
Okay, do you guys want to submit? And then I'm going to resubmit too because, whew, that's a bad grade. Do not want to
I'll
keep that
resubmit.
60.
I can submit it this time,
Okay.
unless somebody else did.
I'm submitting 2 just so. That one is an 85%.
I'll take it.
Yeah, I'm kind
Which
of.
ones are wrong?
18's wrong. Scrolling up.
18.
16 and 14. 18
And
16,
14. Is that what you said?
14. Yeah.
14 and 16. Those are the ones that we, the 14 and 16 are the ones that we are missing.
Well, I know she did a video for test review. Maybe she kind of goes over that to kind of help figure out how to tell.
Okay, does someone want to tell me the answer to question 8?
Yeah, I can. It is 27.208.
Okay, 9.
Is 53.158.
10 is true.
Mm-hmm.
11 is true.
Mm-hmm.
12. 12?
Is 0.309.
So 0.309.
Yeah. No,
Uh,
0.309.
Okay. Right.
Mm-hmm.
Question 14.
We got wrong.
Which one did we
So-
Oh.
put?
Wait, 1 second. I changed it, so let me see if I did. Because I hadn't submitted it, and I got a 95.
Oh,
So which one are you on?
14?
14. Oh, I got it wrong.
Which one
I
did
I
did the
you
picked
second
the
put?
one.
third one.
The first time? All right, it's the first one.
The assumption
get
of
that one
that
right.
Satosum each group comes from the Nordic stream. What?
I don't
Not
get that.
the plot that we got.
All right. 15?
15 is the last one.
And
16 is the third
that
one.
I put the second one. I don't know if I hit the wrong one, but
The third 16's the third one. I changed that one. I got it right. So it's
yeah,
Okay.
I just hit the wrong one.
17?
0.179.
yeah. And 18 is the second one.
Yeah.
So we just got on the one I did. I just got 14 wrong, and so it's the first one. I'm gonna take the 95 though because I don't know.
I just clicked the wrong one.
Rock and roll. All right, I'm going to go ahead and turn this off, but we can still keep meeting on the same one for the other group. We just don't have to submit that as a discussion
Oh yeah,
board.
because
So,
the other one doesn't. Okay.
yeah, so stop.